Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. Today it's August 1st, Thursday. We'll start with Bitcoin. I want to see an overview first at the beginning of the month. Good morning, Bukur, Bova, Yopung. So, let's see what we have on a weekly and monthly chart first. Let's close the drawings here and let's start with monthly chart. Why? We closed the month yesterday, and look at this one, bullish month. You can see in the range here. So on monthly basis, looking left, nothing is bearish. Yeah, I see people panicking. Well, it's going down, it's going. I don't know about that. Look at monthly. We closed green in the same area, like I don't know, we have 3, 4, 5 months now. Morning, Robert. So I don't see why everyone is bearish here on higher time frame. On lower time frame, okay, we can scalp, we can go even to 52. Okay, I get it. Maybe even lower at the week basis, but look at monthly. I don't see a top for the moment there. We are just trying to break free from last all-time high, yeah, from 69. If we'll manage to do that, well, we can push a lot higher. Morning, Stefan. Morning. So guys, don't be too bearish on the long run. Yeah, okay. On intraday, on daily chart, we can see some retracement. Maybe we'll go a bit lower, but don't be bearish here. This is not the top of a bull market. Look at that. Indicators on monthly. Well, some potential here, but nothing wrong here. Look at OBV. One push higher and we'll take this potential divergence. Hopefully. Now, let's go on a weekly chart to see the overview here. Well, a lot of people say, well, we have a lower highs. Yeah, indeed we have, but that's not a bearish pattern what we have here. Even if we'll go here at 52, even if we'll go to 45 here, that will be a disaster for some altcoins or over leveraged people. But for a smart investor, it's from heaven. It's a buying opportunity. Indicators. Well, you can see they are resetting themselves. We touched 50 and we are trying to bounce on weekly. Like I said, we can go back here, test 55 even, maybe even lower, but on the long run, don't be bearish on crypto. Now, let's put the ink back and let's see what we have. Sorry guys. Let's see what we have on daily chart. 1 second. Okay, so daily chart, we are still in this range. Yeah, don't think it's something else. No, it's just a range from 72, 74, 72 to 52, just playing the range game. Yeah, we had the short reload zone, we had 78.6 again. Who shorted that level? Good for him. We are short already from the last time to protect our portfolio, but it's just a fib pong in a range, nothing more, nothing less. Just the fact that it's daily time frame and people have emotions when they see Bitcoin from 70 to 55 or 56. They'll say, well, it's over. Well, we are back again. Let's play level by level. Okay, so what do we have on daily for our chart? On daily, if this level will hold, we are strong, really strong. Let's see what 64 will do. If we'll bounce from here, okay, next support level is at 60. You can see it, look left. If that level will fail, well, I think we'll take these lows here and we can go to 52 where we have the next support and resistance level. But what is the point for me to think at 52 when I'm at 64? Yeah, I'm a swing trader, I'm a day trader. I need to find a setup here or to the next support and resistance level. 52 is too far away from me. Even if I'm right and that the price will go there, until we'll reach that level, I'll sit on the sidelines and I'll wait. No, I need to make money day in, day out. So our focus is, let's see if 64 will hold here. We can form something here, an SFU, and then push higher, back up. Yeah, okay. By the way, if you have questions or something, just ask in the chat and I'll gladly answer you. The problem here on daily, is that we have bearish divergence. Now you can see it. RSI, it's confirmed. OBV is confirmed here. You can see bearish divergence it's clear. This is not a textbook EM, at least not in my playbook. Some people will say, well, it's extended, we discussed it in Discord. No, for me, this is half or more than half of a head and shoulder pattern on daily. Yeah, this is the shoulder, this is the head. We'll probably bounce from this neckline, push higher here, and then break down. If we'll break straight down, well, we'll bounce from 60. Could happen, but usually market is bouncing from the neckline here. So watch out for that. Yeah? It's possible to form a head and shoulder here, but we need the left shoulder. Okay, so I'm not bullish. I'm inclining on lower time frame to be bearish, to form a head and shoulder here, because we have bearish divergence, but that could change pretty fast. Okay, now 4-hour chart, we are trying to bounce from here. You can see, at least we are trying. We didn't SFU, we SFU'd on spot, but on futures we didn't SFU this low. So I'm waiting here for an SFU, maybe a week to the downside, reclaiming, and then I could play a long setup. This is on 4-hour chart, look left. This is a support and resistance level. I cannot be bearish at support. I'm hunting bounces. I'm thinking range, and I'm thinking pushing back up in the middle, 66, 67 kind of idea. So I'll hunt long ideas here. Indicators on 4-hour chart, well, all over the place. Yeah, we had bearish divergence, played out. Yeah, this is the bearish divergence, okay, and in this drop, played out that. I think it's done on 4-hour chart. We need to reset. We need to see what's next. So on daily, let's wait for a bounce to form the right shoulder. On 4-hour chart, let's hunt a bounce here. Let's hunt a long idea. Maybe we can frame something. If we'll fail, well, next bust. That's why we have stop loss. If this 64 will fail, I don't think anything will stop us to reach to bleed to 60. Just my 2 cents. And you can see A, B, C, D is pointing out in that area. Okay, let's change the template. You can see here we have a different one, and I think I have more ink on daily. Yeah. About our hedge trade, you can see it's still active. We are still in it. It's still protecting our spot portfolio, so we don't have to worry about that. If we'll go back low, well, so be it. We'll protect our spot. That's the idea of a hedge trade. So if you want to put a new trade or you don't have a hedge, I don't know if this is the best level to do that. Wait for a bounce to form the right shoulder, and then you can hedge your spot portfolio. My 2 cents. Let's see Ethereum on daily. Morning bar. If you remember, I said something about Ethereum here. Yeah, I said, okay, we'll bounce from Mountain Man from 61.8, we'll bounce here and then we'll dump. Well, seems like they pumped it all the way up in the Fibonacci here in the short reload zone. And now we can hope for a dump here in the long reload zone here. And here we should watch for a W. For the moment, I don't have a location. As you can see, it's not a good area for trades on Ethereum. Why? Short reload zone is here, long reload zone is below. We are in the middle. We can scalp, of course, on lower time frame, but ugly location. Let's just call it that way. My scenario is, at least I'm thinking something like this. Yeah, we played the fib pong. Either will bounce here, but I don't think so. Depending on Bitcoin, I'm waiting for a W here. So here I'll hunt a setup on daily or 4-hour chart. Okay. So for me, this is the area. $3,000. If we'll reach that area, I'll look for W's. When everyone will say, well, it's going down, I'll hunt for a long setup. Why? I have a long reload zone, and if I look left, I have support and resistance. I have a support here. And I'll probably have some bullish divergence also. It's just my way of playing the market. Okay, now back on daily. Let's see Bitcoin dominance. Played out somehow, not exactly like I was expecting here. I was expecting an EM here, and you can see on daily. Up, and we rejected straight down. We have an EM on 4-hour chart. But this is not bearish here for this chart. You can see. Indeed, it's a range. This is a big consolidation, and we break out. We closed above, and we are retesting this level. We are kind of bullish retesting 55 level. Let's hope that will come here up here on 56.5, and then we'll M out. We'll form a big M. For the moment, in this range, we are in the short reload zone indeed, but this is a bullish retest of the support now. This is a support now. So 55.8, 55.5, it's a support area. We accepted above, and we are retesting that. Doesn't sound too good for altcoins, but that's the reality. Nothing we can do. Okay. 4-hour chart on Bitcoin dominance. Well, you can see EM here, and now we have we form a W from this support area. Now, because this is a support now. We accepted, we retested, we are forming W's, and we can push higher. Ethereum versus Bitcoin, but I need daily on this one. Okay, so Wyckoff check here, clear bounce. How high we can go? Well, we can push even higher. Is this the bottom for Ethereum versus Bitcoin? I don't have enough information. Let's just call it that way. I don't have enough to call it a bottom. I still think it's possible to reach 61.8, a lot lower. But it's far away for the moment. On 4-hour chart, well, you can see. Wyckoff checked this level, made a nice W, retested, breaking out, retest again, the neckline, pushing higher, not enough strength, and we have an M now. So overall, it's kind of a up and down, violently flat environment there. So no, I don't have an edge. I don't see a conflict, an advantage to play around. DXY, well, as long as it stays here between these levels, I'm okay with that. And you can see now it's forming a new range, a smaller one here. But on daily, clear as day, you can see. Clear range, playing around these levels. Total, well, on total market cap, we emmed out already. We formed an EM here. At the top of the downtrend channel, clear, textbook EM, it's there. So we can push to the middle of the channel, yeah. We can push to the lower part, yeah. So we emmed out here. In a short reload zone overall, yeah. Could be a fake out, possibly. Total 2, similar. Still possible to make an AB equals CD, but let's wait a little bit more. In total 3, same idea. We have an EM here at the top of this downtrend channel. Same level. If we'll accept above this level, then we can think altcoin season. Until then, it's better to protect capital and buy the dip as an investor. Now, I'm not saying as a trader buy the dip. No. When I say Bitcoin if Bitcoin is going down, buy the dip on altcoins. I specifically mean on daily and weekly chart. Don't go and buy on 1 hour. No, you are buying, if you are using little old lady, you don't have even a stop loss. If you are using something else, okay, it's up to you. If you are dollar cost averaging, again, no stop loss. Yeah, so you are buying and holding for the long run. Yeah, when you call yourself an investor, your time horizon is from 1-2 years to 5 years. So if you are buying today and change your mind tomorrow and in 1 week you'll sell, you are not an investor. You are a position trader at best. And if you don't have a plan, a written plan, piece of paper or in your computer, yeah, a clear one, you are not even a position trader. You are just a fucking gambler. Yeah? Don't believe me, wait and see. Now, you need a clear plan and you need to be able to respect that plan. Why I'm repeating that? Because some people still don't get it. If you want to be an investor, okay, your time horizon is a lot higher. You should not look on intraday charts. And you should have a clear plan. If you don't have a plan, you are not an investor. You are a gambler. You are just here to play around and have emotions. Yeah? I know sounds ugly, but that's the fucking reality. Get serious. We have some plans. If you like them, use them. If not, do your own plan. You don't have to follow my plan or Miku plan. Make your own plan. Decide, well, that's what I'll do for the next 3 to 5 years, and respect that plan. Stop thinking after that. You have to respect what you said you do. It's that simple, guys. I don't know. Some people just don't want to learn that. And they'll take another bull cycle to stay here and play around, and maybe at some point in time they'll learn. I'm doing my best to explain that and keep you grounded and keep you out from the emotions. Okay. Let's see, maybe we can find some potential ideas. Bitcoin here. As you can see, this is the long reload zone is still valid. We are below 78.6 on Bitcoin. We are testing this low. I'll play the SFU. How I'll play the SFU? Second phase of SFU. So breaking down and then closing back above this level. And I'll play SFU long there. Probably the best time frame for me will be 5-minute chart. So I want to see breaking that level and closing, first candle close back above will be my entry. Yeah. Okay. So that's a possible scenario. If I'll see here, this range is still valid. If I'll see a W on 4-hour chart or 1-hour chart at the support, W breakout and retest, I'll take that one. For the moment, as you can see here, is just a bounce, a dead cat bounce here. Will hold? I don't know. It's too early to tell. So that's Bitcoin. On the short side, if you want to short, you are not allowed to think short until at least this level, 66. Yeah, you can see it's 38.2. Even if you are in a downtrend, we should bounce. A dead cat bounce should go to test this level. Yeah. Okay, let's say we are in a downtrend here. High, low, high. Okay, I get it. It's the beginning of something. You are not allowed to short until you reach this level. At least not with my rules. The best one will be a bit above in a short reload zone, but keep in mind that we formed a support and resistance here. This will be a good level to think short. Ethereum. Well, as you can see, long reload zone 78.6 is bouncing. It's in the long reload zone here. We have this downtrend channel, and you can see it's weaker than the channel want us to believe. We broke to the downside. Now we can make a new channel soon enough. Bounce here. Let's see indicators. Well, I don't see any bullish divergence on 1 hour. So if I don't see it on 1 hour, I'm not looking for the moment. Same idea. 3,200 here. You can see this is the area where I want to think short. Don't market short. Don't be the last to sell, to short here. Okay, long W here in this area, or the best will be long reload zone. Yeah? You can see the initial W and breaking out. So if the market will come back here and form a W, then okay. Similar with Bitcoin. Someone could say, well, Paul, I want to play this SFU. Well, okay, if you want to play that one, play it. Same idea. Breaking out on the lower time frame 5-minute chart below and then close back above and you have a setup. But if your setup fails, get the fuck out because it will go lower. If you are not able to scalp or to day trade, don't do it. Stay on spot, stay on the investment part without leverage. You'll be more profitable. If you are able to play with leverage, then okay. But how you can tell if you are able or you are not able to trade on leverage, to trade on futures, to trade with high leverage or lower time frame? Well, first thing, it's if you can respect every fucking time your stop loss. Well, if I said that stop loss is here and I'm tempted to move my stop loss, remove the stop loss or change it, put it lower against me, and I cannot restrain myself to do that once, twice, 3 times, then scalping, day trading is not for me. That's the first tell. When you cannot respect a setup, you're not allowed to stay on futures. You're just asking for trouble. It's that simple. Until you manage yourself to respect the setup, you don't have any business to risk not even $1 on futures. No. Go back on spot. Okay, that's Ethereum. Let's see Pixel. And here, okay, you can see this W in the long reload zone. Nice. Everything was nice and clean. And you can see sometimes, even if I have all the reasons to take a trade, that's trading. You can see we had very bullish divergence here. We had everything. But some setups fail. My win rate is 55-60%, not 100%. So some of my setups are going belly up. I'm still in this trade? Fuck no. I had a hard stop loss here. When the market touched this level, I'm out. I will hunt for the next bus. If I'll let, for example, what I discussed, now we have double the loss here. Why I should... my idea was that this W will produce a 2-to-1. And my stop loss was here. My idea is wrong if the market will touch this level. Well, we touched it. Out. Next bus. It's that simple. Solana. Let's go on 4-hour chart for Solana. Guys, everything is nice and clean. You can hear me on YouTube. I see it's pretty quiet in the chat. So, uptrend channel, really well respected here. You can see. Until not. It's that simple. We touched 194. Everyone was expecting for 200 to sell, and some people front run that level. Nothing wrong with that. And you can see we have an EM here. I could see a new setup here. Maybe 1 hour, just a bounce here. But for the moment, we are against this big EM now. So, if you want to play a smart, you are a scalper or a day trader, you can hunt here. You can hunt a long setup. But expect that this will be your take profit. Yeah? Because this is a downtrend now. Lower highs, lower lows. In a downtrend, any bounce, you are fading the trend here from now on. So if you can find here, you have a good support, look left, you have a support. If you find a setup here, okay, take that trade, but take your profit here and maybe even think short. It's up to you. For the moment, I don't see anything special. 1 hour, let's go on 1 hour. Yeah, we are trying to form something, but nothing yet. No W, nothing. It's still weak, we can push lower. Back on 4-hour chart. Joe. Well, waiting for a W the other side of the trend line. Who tried to take this this bot? Well, one low, two lows, third low, and actually never fired a bot setup. Now we are forming a big M here. We have some support, maybe we'll bounce. I don't know if we'll hold. I think from now on, if we lose this level, we should think long reload zone on this one. Look left, look at this area, support, resistance, confluence here. If we'll come back here, we can think about a long setup. The bot is kind of out from the table. It's still possible until we'll reach this area. If we'll form 3 higher lows, okay, we can still play a bot. But for the moment, nah. Dimension is going back in the long reload zone. Watch it for a nice clean W. Will take some time. I don't see a setup yet. Aevo, well, let's go on 1 hour chart because we had a setup here. Same idea. You can see. Nice W at 78.6 with bullish divergence. Everything was there. But unfortunately, sometimes the trades fail. That is called win rate. Yeah. So this one out here, and I'm waiting for the next setup. Where? Here in the long reload zone. So this setup failed, and I'm okay with that. And if you want to trade with me or to trade like me, you should be okay with taking stop losses. Huh? If you don't have a stop loss, let's say you risked 1% and you removed your stop loss here. Now you have 2% loss. And this one could go all the way down here, and then you'll have a 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and that's how you destroy your account. So if you want to play like me, have your stop loss in the market. Sorry, it's the reality. If you don't have a stop loss, your risk is the entire portfolio. Ton. Well, this one is still fucking around here. You can see 1 low, 2 lows, 3 lows, protecting our stop loss. Yeah. I'm still in this trade. Manta at entry. Well, I don't see anything bullish here for the moment, so it's up to you. If you want to keep it on daily, keep it. If not, scratch it and let's hunt again. Pipe. Sorry guys. Sorry about that. Pipe, the problem is we had 50%. Now it's looking totally different. I don't see a setup here anymore. It's too late for me to do anything. I'll take the stop loss if we'll reach this level. That's simple. Alt, you can see we had a setup similar. That's why I'm telling you, when I'm showing, for example, I'm showing 6, 7, 8 potential trades. That doesn't mean you have to take all of them. At the end, I'm usually repeating, watch out on total risk, because you don't have 10 trades, you have actually one big trade with a huge risk. Everything is correlated on crypto. Okay, now we're testing the lows. I think Alt has some unlocks, if I remember correctly. That it's Ken could tell me that. So has some unlocks this month. I have to check. I don't know exactly, but the problem is if we lose this low, well, price discovery again, guys. Price discovery again, but on the wrong direction. Okay, E-Gold. Well, at least E-Gold is coming back home. Not a bot anymore. Not even potential. Let's wait here for a W, and then we can play. Fat, weak. EM here, breaking down, kind of a retest, not even retesting, and it's Wyckoff checking this level. It's weak, and we'll probably get in my area where I want to buy it, below $1. I'll buy it, but below $1. ING, similar. We said setups here, okay, W on 1 hour chart, everything was nice and clean. Bitcoin decided to go belly up, they broke everything. AB equals CD to the downside. You can see it's almost completed here. Now we should not think bot anymore. It's still possible here, but you can see for us it's better to think long reload zone here. Look left, support in the long reload zone. We'll probably have some bullish divergence until then. If not, we should wait for some. No setup anymore here. So guys, I'm not bulletproof. I don't have a 100% win rate, and I don't want to think about me that I have, I don't know, something special. No, I'm just a trader like you, but I'm damn sure respecting my risk management, my plan, and I'm consistent. That's my advantage. I'm not smarter than you. I don't have something special. No, I'm just damn consistent, respecting my plan, making money day in, day out. I took yesterday some stop losses. I'm not upset. Sometimes that's the job. That's the job description. Sometimes you'll have bad days. Important thing, at the end of the week, at the end of the month, at the end of the year, you have to be consistently profitable. You have to make money. That's why you're here. I don't think we have anywhere in the world a job that doesn't have bad days. Why do you think it's different in crypto or in trading? No. It's actually high intense emotions if you don't have a plan, and will break you if you don't know what you are doing. I saw in the last couple of years a lot of people breaking, saying, well, fuck it, it's just gambling, it's not serious, I don't want to hear it about it anymore. Some of them, they are happy in a 9-to-5 job. Well, good for them. I prefer to stay here. Okay, so that's the overview on altcoins. First of all, we should see Bitcoin, what Bitcoin will do here. If Bitcoin will bounce and will hold this 64, okay, altcoins will outperform. If we'll lose this one and we'll go to 60, altcoins have a lot lower to go. Honestly, I prefer Bitcoin to break. I want Bitcoin to break 64, to go to 60, even lower. That will give me a damn good opportunity to buy cheap altcoins. That will be not a lifetime, but a season opportunity to buy cheap altcoins and ride them all the way up. Or last chance challenge is 50 and some percent in. I want more. Until October, I want to get to 80%, maybe even more. To have that, I need Bitcoin to go lower. Hopefully, we'll get it. Because on the investment part, I'm not playing day in, day out. I'm playing here for the long run. I want to see what will happen in the end of the year. I want to see what will happen until next year, and so on. I have the plan. Read the plan. If you're a payment member, you have access. Read the plan. Use it if you want. Don't use it if you don't like it. Okay. I blabbed away too much. Calendar today. Let's see what we have today. Okay, we have big news here. You can see in the New York session, PMI, and tomorrow have unemployment rate and NFP. Tomorrow will be ugly again. Today we have some news, but it's kind of safe to play around. Tomorrow, ugly again. This week was full of news, and better not to trade usually, actually, but I'm here to make money. I'll be honest, from Monday until now, I'm slightly in profit, but was a bad week. The volatility was ugly. Slightly in profit, and I don't know. Let's see how the week will end. I could get a scratch, I could be slightly in a loss, or I could make more money. Who knows? Ask me at the end of the week and I'll tell you. So the calendar, we have PMI in New York, Twitter, nothing we can say about Twitter. I was looking at this one. Yeah, it looks like it's dead. We'll go to 0. Yeah, okay. If we'll reach these levels here at 33 cents, I'll just go and sacrifice a pizza, not a coffee, a pizza, and I'll buy some and put it aside and forget about it. That's a potential 100x if we'll reach this level. And at the same time, don't risk your house, because this one could go to 0 and stay there. That's simple. Let's not blab away too much. I have half an hour. I think it's time to close the live stream. I'll go and scalp with Stefan in the VIP room. I don't see requests. The interest in crypto is low again. Crypto it's a scam again. We'll see. Okay guys, see you next time. Bye bye.